Hello, it is the Orange Guy 1000. Today we're not playing Minecraft or Crossy Road. Today we are showing off one of the programs that I have created. I've written it in the computer coding language Python, and it's available to get downloaded online. So you can just go to GitHub, so github.com, and then slash slash dog dash face dash development. You can download it, and then get the Python module, which you can download from python.org if you don't already have it, and you can play this game. So we are just going to talk a little bit about it. It's Bars, the simple but fun and addicting bar game is the title. This is your interface. So the purpose of the game is to select a group of bars and be the last one to select a group of bars. So you play against the computer, and you're hoping to outwit a computer. So let's go. Here's the title. Welcome to Bars. Let's go. Press the space bar to start game. Okay, spacebar being pressed. Your turn. Click the leftmost stick to remove. Let's click that, thinking the computer is playing. Okay, that's good. Click that one. Nope, I'm not going to win because once I select this one, it's going to select that one. And the computer is the winner. Let's see. Sorry, the computer is the winner. Try again. To play again, press spacebar. To leave, click the X button. Nope, we're going to play again. Okay, let's click that little bunch. Okay. Well, let's see. If I select this, the computer's probably going to select that, and then there'll be 3 left. But it could also select this big bunch, which I think is what it's going to do now. I fell into the hands of the computer again. This is not good. So just saying, I know you may think, okay, this is extremely difficult. There's going to be an update soon with difficulty settings. We're still working a little bit out on the details. So, yeah. We'll play a few more times here. Just saying, too, that we will be doing a few of these on the computer projects that I'm making. Most of them will be on Python, and all of them, I can guarantee you, all of them will be able to be downloaded from GitHub. And then, so we'll be doing these every once in a while. They'll be about 5 minutes long or so, and I just lost the computer again. Okay, this is getting difficult. And so we'll be making these about 5 minutes long. We'll be doing one maybe like once a month, because I know it's funner to play games. And then all of the things will be able to be downloaded from GitHub. I have quite a few that I've made already, so I'll show those ones off, and then I'm still working on more now. We'll play one more time here. I bet you it's going to do like this whole bunch or something. Where are we going? Okay, wait, let's see. This 4 here. What happens if I select these ones? Okay, it leaves 1 if I select all those. If I select all those, the computer's forced to pick. It's going to go this. Nope. So close. I think we're going to have to work a little bit on the game mechanics to see if we can make this work better. So we'll play one more time, and then that'll be it for this. No, this isn't going to work. Because now it's just going to select this one. And then we're just going to make it take longer to lose. Okay, well, yeah. So, again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked it. You can download this, again, as I said, from github.com/dog-face-development. And then open it up in the Python module. Download the Python module if you haven't already. And yeah, hope you liked it. Give a like to the video if you really liked it, and comment in the comment section if you need any help with the game or anything, and give a subscribe to my channel. And just because I feel like it and we want to make the video a little bit longer, we'll play one more. There we go. There's a lot of randomness in this. The bars are generated randomly. I may show the code too. I think I'm having a light bulb in my head go off right now. I think what I'll do is I'll show this. I'll show the game, and then I'll show the code for the game afterwards and describe a little bit about it. Yeah. So hopefully you like that. I'll issue the code for the game later. And it'll probably come about a week later after. Oh, and look, I lost again. So yeah, as I said, make sure to watch the code video because it'll have all the code in it. And two, hope you like it. Give a subscribe to my channel if you liked it and you want to see some more, and give a like to the video or comment in the comment section. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is the Orange Guy 1000 signing out on behalf of Dogface Development. Hi, it's the Orange Guy 1000 here. We are doing the bars code because I just did the bars game, showing it off, and now we're going to be showing off the code. So this is the first part here. If you don't know much about Python code, well, it doesn't really apply, but for those of you who do, that's good because it helps to have a knowledge of this. First here we just have a comment. This is just about it. And then here's another comment. This game is extremely addictive and impossible to beat. The things in red with the hashtags in front of them are comments. These are the import statements. Oop, I should say import. These are the import statements. So they import the special thing, the modules into the game. That way we can play the game. Then this just shows the size of the screen. So the screen width, how wide it is, and then height, how high it is, and then the max sticks. So the minimum of sticks is 7 and the maximum of sticks is 31. And then this is the screen height and the screen width. So that depends on the screen height divided by 12 is how big the screen is going to be. And then the width divided by the screen width divided by the number of max sticks divided by 5 times 11 plus the max sticks percentage of 5 times 2. So I'm not sure exactly what that would be, but that's a pretty big combination there. Then color statements, these are different colors. So S color, H color, and just color. That's for the different colors of the bars and stuff. These are functions. So this is what random row brings the random number of sticks. Then this is the computer. This makes the computer make a move, and then a random move generates a random move. This is the player, so the person who's playing. And then this def move, this creates, that way you can actually make a move. If there wasn't this whole game wouldn't work. And then game over means once at the end, as you've probably seen when you fail, you press the space bar and it goes back, and then that becomes a game over. Therefore returns back to 0, 0, 0. And then that's notify move, means makes you get move. This is class stick, which basically puts the sticks out, or the bars. This is chords, which basically makes the size of the screen, as you can see the screen width and stuff here. Def make move, well, lets you make the move. Game.controller is your keyboard. Nim view is basically just lets you see the screen. So at the beginning, how you didn't get to see this in the video, but it will say please wait while the game loads. Well, that's here, right here. And then here it says the fonts, and to display the things, right here it's aligned center, red, black, octane, sports, regular. Those are the fonts, and then here's the controls. Your turn, click the last mouse stick to remove, the color is gray. And then here, thinking, still thinking, the computer is playing, your turn, just the same thing. This is when the computer is playing, it displays that. And then hey, and then here, if you win, yay, you're the winner. If you lose, gets this. And then this goes back all the way to the very beginning, just lays over some of the things that happened in the beginning. So welcome to bars, let's go, press the space bar. And then, as you can see, game screen on key here, this stuff, this allows you to use the space bar and the escape bar to move. And then here, yeah, this just sustains the, this makes sure that the program actually runs without, and just like how I said there was that other function before, without that it wouldn't work. Well, without these ones, it wouldn't work.
And that's all, folks.